Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by selecting the cells you want to clear, click, drag, or use Ctrl plus click for scattered ranges. Once selected, inspect for merged cells, data validation rules, and hidden characters that will affect results. Make sure to note any formatting you intend to keep so you don't lose it. Now open the Home ribbon. This is where clearing tools live. Use the visible options to remove contents, formats, or comments, depending on which elements you need removed. Next, use Home Clear and choose the Precise option. Contents removes values but leaves formats and formulas intact. Formats removes styling only, all wipes everything. If you need surgical precision, press F5, choose Go to Special, and target constants, formulas, or comments, then clear just those. Once done, remember that clear formats is useful when you want to preserve underlying formulas. Make sure to use Undo immediately if you clear the wrong element. To complete the task, double-check sheet protection and locked cells under Review Protect Sheet. Clearing won't work on locked ranges. If everything looks right, run Clear All to start fresh, then reapply needed formats or data validation. If something goes wrong, first try Undo. If that fails, revert to a saved version or auto-recover. One key troubleshooting tip: invisible characters or non-breaking spaces block matches. Use Find and Replace or Trim/Clean functions to remove them before clearing targeted cells.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.